Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change aim sensitivity in this game. To do that, you're first gonna have to enter main menu, which you can do by either pressing escape if you are in game. Press escape and then select return to main menu. Then once you are in the main menu, go to options, then select controls. And to change the aim sensitivity, move this slider either to the left to decrease the sensitivity level or to the right to increase it. To apply changes, just press the right key of your mouse or escape, and the changes will be applied automatically once you exit this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.